Caprice number 24. The theme, which it has inspired great composers, Brahms, Rachmaninoff, Lutosławski, Liszt. It's one of the most famous themes in the history of music, I suppose. There is something mesmerizing about that. So I suggest we shouldn't play it too much like a march. So separate well the 16 note, because there is a 16 gap before that. And don't play too much of the sound, because it says piano second time, it doesn't say forte first time. So just make it sort of mezzo forte sound. Very well organized rhythmically, upper part of the bow. And when you start the repeat, continue the bow, don't bring it back. When you start the second section, you could really take your bow, lift your bow and put it back here, and this way the gap will be a little bit longer, but I think it's justified here. The end of the theme, it's a little bit uncomfortable for the change of strings, but just make a bit longer the first note and listen to the second and third. First variation. Listen very well to the intervals in the first three notes. Just really practice it slow. Play closer to the frog, first two notes, and then go a bit more with the third. The up bow staccato here. Retake your bow for the first two notes, connect the second note of the triplet to the first one, and then go a little bit further. So the first two notes almost on the same place, and next three going. When you start second section, so the play a little bit longer the note before the shift.